Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court exam. Start. The court added that the affidavit shall also set out the steps being taken by the state of Punjab to prevent these crimes. Stop. The bench also asked the state to comply with the directions issued by a single judge to curb gangster culture. Stop. The courts was hearing its suo motu case against the use of mobile phones in the prisons. Stop. The SIT constituted by the Punjab and Haryana High Court revealed in August 2024 that gangster Lawrence Bishnoi's first interview glorifying crime and criminals was conducted when he was in CIA premises in Punjab's Kharad, and the second interview was in a Jaipur jail. Stop. The court had then directed Punjab's DGP to file an affidavit setting out the number and details of registration of criminal cases, especially those relating to extortion oblique threatening calls, calls for ransom, abduction and intimidation of witnesses in the state of Punjab with effect from March 2023 up till December 2023, when the interviews were directed to be removed from the website oblique channel oblique URL, and 9 months prior to the broadcast of the interview. Stop. The court reiterated that the SIT shall also examine the role of senior officers and ensure that lower level officials are not made scapegoat. Stop. It is difficult to believe that the interview could have taken place without involvement of senior officers, especially when the place of interview could be established only after the intervention of this court. Stop. During the hearing, the principal secretary, jails, Punjab submitted that the video conferencing facility bracket about 159 bracket clause is in place in all the jails, but it is not being adequately utilized for appearance of high risk prisoners before the trial courts. Stop. Hence, it directed that the trial courts within Punjab to use this facility as much as possible, especially in the case of high risk prisoners, as it is not only spares the police personnel who are to be put on security duty but save sizable public expenditure. Stop. The amicus curiae informed that proper infrastructure has not been provided to the SIT head, which is evident from the interruptions in the video proceedings in court for want of proper and adequate Wi-Fi facility in the office. Stop. The Advocate General, Punjab then submitted that adequate facilities and infrastructure would be ensured forthwith. Stop. The matter is listed on August 18, for further consideration. Stop. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has asked the functionaries of Haryana government to ensure that real estate developer DLF complies with the condition of afforestation on which it has been permitted to fell trees in गुरुग्राम स्टॉप। सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर लीगल डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।